Hi there. I just wanted to go over some really great features of the CapCut AI video maker. I've used this in my classroom, but I want to just talk about the details a little bit and the utility of it. Its different uses, its different functions. So what I have here, I pulled up a very basic script. What I love about video creation in the classroom is it allows for a lot of creativity and allows for a lot of student understanding. It can serve as a summative assessment if you assign it correctly. So to just show you some of the features which I like because they are user-friendly, so they can be for students. Over to the left, when you go into CapCut, the nice thing is you can have this desktop editor or this internet editor. You don't have to use a downloaded version. When you go to the left, you have some very basic tools. Over here, you have a script. So for the sake of the video I created, I have this very simple script in here that was taken from a story to just show an example of the animation it can create. So this is from the story, The Most Dangerous Game. This would be for an ELA classroom. And in this scene, this character is being hunted by dogs, and he basically gets pushed to the edge of a cliff, and he has to decide if he's going to jump or not. And just by looking at the very basic slides that it gives us, the style is a little rudimentary, but the nice thing is that you can go in and you can edit different things about it. You can put text to it. You can also go in, when you go into scenes to the left and go to media, you can generate very specific AI media. You can make it all fit a certain style. So if we were to go Jurassic, or we could find anything that fit the video style or the story style. But then going back over to elements, you can change what your captions look like. You can add different text features, which can make it more engaging, and it does help provide that text and audio that can help serve some student accommodations. So the nice thing, the educational value that I think this holds, going through the features, they're simple, they're easy to use. When I used it in my own classroom for an assignment, one of the things I had students do was every script and point that they provided, they had to collect screenshots of and submit as part of their assignment. And they had to reflect on that. They had to reflect on the use of AI for this. So anything that they typed in here for writing style, for instance, they could bring text over from the script, from the story itself, so that it actually sounded like the story when it was being read out. But they also had a time limit, so they had to pick which element of plot they wanted to include, which one they wanted to describe. And they got very creative with this, and it actually helped with engagement. So as far as educational value, this being easy to use, easy to access, and actually promoting student engagement was extremely helpful. I think that assignments like this are going to start taking place as assessments, formative, summative, or otherwise. I know I will be using it in my classroom, and I encourage every educator to give this a try and see how they may incorporate it into their own assignments. I hope this helps, and thank you so much.